Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to apply default paragraph styles in Google Docs. This tutorial will be a very straightforward one and is really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, or even if you're a beginner or even a first-timer in Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, let us get started. Before proceeding with anything else, I want you to check your Google Chrome if you are using the latest version, and this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors along the way. Now, we can begin the process. As you can see, I have here a paragraph with a specific format such as this paragraph spacing. It is also justified. It got a font. The font size is 12. And many more. However, I want to reset it to the default paragraph styles, so that's what we are going to do in this tutorial. I also have here a sample table in which I used when it comes to the tutorial on how to merge cells, how to change the formatting of the table properties. And if you are interested on those things, then please be sure to check out the dedicated playlist which compiles all of the Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Now, to reset or apply the default paragraph formatting or paragraph styles, all you have to do is to highlight the paragraph that you would like to reset to default to, or if you want to select all of the document, then press Control or Command for Mac users plus A on your keyboard, like so, which will select everything on your Google Docs file. Now, in my case, I would like to highlight only this paragraph. And now, what can we do is press this T with a backslash icon on the top portion of our screen, located right here on our ribbon. Click on this, or alternatively, you can use your keyboard using the Control plus backslash command. Click on it once, and as you can see, it resets the paragraph and applies a default paragraph style. We do not have an indentation anymore. The font size is 11. The font is set to default, which is Arial. There is no justification, and then see, the alignment is not justified, and the line spacing is back to 1.15. As you can see, if I undo, that is the difference of our paragraph. We have restored it to default. As simple as that, we can apply the default paragraph style in Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.